Hi everyone, this is Shikha from Your PD Education. So guys, as we all know that fact has been, I would say, shortlisted a lot of candidate and I would say interview date has been about to come. So now this is your HR round and your personal interview, right? Apart from technical and apart from your field, this is very I would say important HR round. I would say very important. I would say cracking your selection basically. So this is your HR and personal interview, right? So HR or personal interview, I can say it's a vast domain which has been divided into different domains. It's a mixed bag of different domain basically, and we are providing you different kind of questions. So today we are going to discuss about different kind of HR question related to fact. Okay, that is basically a leading I would say organization in fertilizers and chemical, I would say Travancore, right? So as we just discussed that there is a different type of, I would say, HR question, and today we are going to discuss all this question in this particular video, and you will get document on your PDF panel. You can access from there only. So let's start that what type of different questions we are discussing today. First is about fact. Now this is something which is related to your organization. HR questions are divided into organization part, basically achievement, interest, hobbies, strength, weaknesses, that is a personality trait. Next come your, I would say, job experience, I would say skill test and all these things. Last but not least is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous in the sense altogether different kind of question, which makes in trouble if you are not preparing well. Alright, so that kind of question we can discuss it out related to fact, that what are the important, I would say, questions which have been taken from last year, previous year HR or like that, and from student feedback. Okay, so let us just, I would say, discuss about fact. It is about organization for which you are going basically. Alright, let's suppose we are going for fact, right? So this is very important question. Under which ministry does fact come? Okay, when was fact established? What is vision, mission and objective of fact? Okay, different units and venture related to the fact, basically main products of fact, as you must aware about that what is this organization about and what kind of product it is selling or it is dealing with. Okay, as it is dealing with fertilizers and chemicals, so you should aware about that. Alright, what type of the products, name the products or like that, where you got inspiration to join fact, why you want to join basically fact, basically, you know, where is head office of fact, do you know where is उद्योग मंडल basically, have you seen your वेबसाइट के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए. लाइक इट्स वेरी जनरल क्वेश्चन. हैव यू गो थ्रू द वेबसाइट, क्या आप अपनी वेबसाइट देखिए अपने फैक्ट की, बेसिकली क्या क्या उसमें दिया हुआ है, क्या आपने लर्न किया है एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट कम व्हाट इज फीडो, हु इज चेयरमैन ऑफ फैक्ट. ठीक है, टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट आत्मनिर्भर भारत. आत्मनिर्भर भारत क्या है? ठीक है, आर वी सेल्फ रिलायंट इन फील्ड ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर्स. ऑलराइट, हाउ मेनी अदर पब्लिक सेक्टर फर्टिलाइजर्स कंपनीज इंडिया हैज competitor of fact. Okay, what if you don't get into fact, why do you want to join, what do you like in fact, क्या आपको अच्छा लगा है इसमें. ठीक है, where is fertilizer unit of fact, why was fact in news recently. ठीक है, वो आपसे भी पूछ सकते हैं कि do you know any current news related to fact. So you should be updated yourself about all these questions. Okay, about fact, like this is a, I would say, big organization, so उसके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए that what we can gather. Alright, something like that. Okay, where it is head office, what is the full form of fact, who is the competitor of fact, basically what I going, what are the projects have been I would say recently approaching in the fact. Okay, any recent news related to fact you have heard about, something like that. So these kinds of question you should know. Okay, name some customers of fact. Okay, biggest fertilizer company in India. Name the operating units of fact. What is urea and its chemical composition, and what is biofertilizers. It is also related to organization. It's test your knowledge. Okay, how much you are aware about this particular organism, that is fact. Okay, what kind of urea, what is biofertilizers, fertilizers they are making, these kinds of things you must aware about. नेम द ब्रांड फर्टिलाइजर्स ऑफ फैक्ट. जो भी उनके ब्रांड्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स के जो भी उनके ब्रांड्स हैं वो आपको पता होना चाहिए. हाउ मच इज प्रॉफिट ऑफ फैक्ट इज लास्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर. आपको करंट और प्रीवियस जो उसका लास्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर का प्रॉफिट लॉस वो सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए. कितने करोड़ का, कितने अब उससे लैक्स का प्रॉफिट था, लॉस था, समथिंग दे कैन आस्क यू बेसिकली. ओके, फुल फॉर्म ऑफ फैक्ट, द फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड केमिकल्स Travancore. ऑलराइट, अबाउट यू. Now it is also very important domain of this question. They actually want to know about yourself, like what kind of personality you are and where you can get fit in that particular organization. Okay, what are your hobbies, interests, strength, weaknesses, what do you like, what you not like, all right, how to approach stress management, how to manage task, basically how good you are at time management, these kinds of things basically. All right, what do you like, in fact, what you not like, something like that. Let's have a look. When did you hear about fact first time? Why do you want to join fact? Okay, why chemical and fertilizers company, being electrical engineer? Let's suppose you are from electrical background and you're going for this company, so why you have chosen this, what makes you choose this company, or like that, to prepare for that organization. Your hobbies and interest, very important question. Strength and weaknesses. Okay, hobbies and interest, something related to of your interest, that what you like to do basically, specifically in your leisure time. All right, so that you must aware about. Different, there are typical different kind of hobbies, but you have to choose in which you are perfect. All right, what you actually do. And next is strength and weaknesses, that is purely related to your personality trait. So you should aware about yourself, that what kind of personality you are. All right guys, that is something, and you will get detailed video on this particular two different question basically. You can watch on your UOPD Education YouTube channel. Your academic and personal background. Okay, why do you think yourself to be suitable for this job? Your past achievement, past failures, why this gap in career? There are different kind of questions which are very important in this about you, that part about yourself basically. The last achievement, any failure, any regret, what makes you unique or different. These 4 to 5 questions are very important, along with hobbies, interest and strength, weaknesses. You should know, okay, what you have achieved, what is your biggest regret in your life, what makes you unique. You should think over it, and we are preparing you for such kind of questions. Okay, how are you how are you I would say upskilling yourself during gap, your contribution to the nation and society so far, how you are unique, as we have just discussed basically. All right, something special about you, why we should consider you instead of others. Okay, what are your short term and long term career goals and objectives? You must aware about that. The 3 most important reasons why we should be considered. How do you spend your time when you have nothing to do, and justify your interest and suitability for fact. Okay, this is all about you. These kinds of question you can see in your HR or your personal interview, right? Third domain is, I would say, about your academic background. Okay, what you have studied till now, what you have did, what you have not did. Like if you have done your BTech, why don't you do your MTech also? Why you don't want to pursue your MTech? If you have pursued your MTech, so what was your project, internship? Have you done any project or internship? Have you worked before? Something like these kinds of question can be asked to you. All right, your BTech and MTech project, internship, what you have learned in your internship, why did you join MTech, application of MTech project, why not MNC, why you could not get job through campus placement, क्या what are the lackenesses जो आपको campus placement से job नहीं मिली या something like that, और आपने try नहीं किया, ठीक है. What another alternative you have kept for yourself, why you did not do MTech, abhi we have just discussed right now. And recently, how is your MTech linked to job in fact, ठीक है. MTech project something we have done on a particular, I would say, topic or survey basically. So how would that contributing to the fact, and how does it helpful for you to work in fact. All right, so these kinds of question you must aware about yourself. You should know basically about profession and job experience. Let's suppose you are already working, you have been worked since some years or like that. So about your job experience, roles and responsibility, that is very common question. Okay, if you are already working and if you have worked before prior as well, so what was your role, responsibility, and what you have did basically, what traits you have been learned from your previous job. These kinds of question you can see in your HR. Why do you want to leave your or you left your job? Why do you think that fact is better job? What was wrong in your previous job? Like I was not able to compete with time, right? Task, projects. What was the lackenesses? What were your achievement in previous job? Okay, contributed to past job. What you have contributed? What did you learn in your job? Past job experience help in fact that पास्ट अब जिस पिछली जिस जॉब में हो वहाँ से आपने क्या सीखा जो आपको फैक्ट में जाके हेल्प करेगा. All right, what you have learned, time management, junior senior relationship basically, I have enhanced my skills, communication skills, team management. I would say I can consider myself a good team leader as I have handled this number of people of team basically. Something you can say it out. Rest you will get a detailed discussion on this. Tell us some situation you faced during job and how did you solve it. These kinds of question you can say. Now come to the miscellaneous part, that is altogether a different question or different mixed bag of. Okay, is job location anywhere in India okay for you? Means are you able to relocate? Like some of the candidates don't used to be work on like island part or mountain area, hilly area, something like that. All right, are you ready to serve anywhere in India? What if you realize after couple of years that fact was not cup of you? Like अगर आपको if you feel कि no I am the wrong here in this organization, what would you do? What is the plan B? What you have thought over this? That is something you need to be tackle it out. Okay, what is you get your job in your home state in future? Okay, how make in India आत्मनिर्भर भारत program of government relevant for fact? ठीक है, ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. What if you get opportunity in some foreign destination? Are you ready to work extra hour in case of project internship or like that, or work-life balance? So these kinds of concept you need to be prepare yourself for these kinds of questions. Alright guys, so this is all about I would say HR part of fact. So we have discussed a number of important questions related to fact basically. Alright, you can download this document from your PDF panel, or I would say in the description box you can get the link also. Alright, so guys prepare well and please watch out the snaps, HR snaps which we have already taken with the students and they have been uploaded on YouTube channel. You can watch, you can prepare from them as well. You can watch, download this document and you can have look to the questions, you can prepare in front of mirror and then you can come to us to give your HR snap, to practice it out with us, because we are preparing you for all these questions. Alright, so all the very best guys, and you can have this access of this document in description box as well on the panel. Thank you, all the best.